In only 6 months we went from 0 to 100,000 subscribers. It's insane how fast we grew. During this period of time I learned a lot of things, and I know, as a small content creator, it's very hard to grow. So in this video I want to give a lot of tips and tricks on how you can grow your channel. I will support the tips and tricks by showing your data, and hopefully you can grow your channel after watching this video. In the description you find timestamps to everything I'm gonna discuss in this video, so you can skip to the part you like the most. For example, I'm gonna explain how I got my first 100 subscribers, 1000, 10,000, tips and tricks about the YouTube algorithm, and some sneaky things that no other content creator tells you. So now, let's talk about the first thing. So in my opinion, there are only 3 things you really need to realize. And if you realize those 3 things, then your YouTube channel is gonna blow up, for sure. So the first thing, and this is the most important thing. You can skip the rest of the video if you want to, but this you really need to realize. The thing with the most value that a human has is time. It sounds cliche, but it's true. And when you make a video and upload a video, a random person is gonna invest that time in your video. This means that your video has to have some value. For example, the video can entertain the watcher can learn something, or your video can give the watcher an emotion. You have to keep that in mind if you make a video. Also, a very big tip is watch your own videos back and watch them fully, and not once, not twice, 3 times. I always watch my videos at least 3 times back. This way I know in which parts I get bored, so I can improve that in my next video. So in conclusion, if you don't take the time and don't want to watch your own videos, the random viewers also don't want to watch your video, sorry. Okay, now about the second thing of the biggest points, and that is time. You have to invest time in YouTube. Luckily for you, I kept track of all the time I spent on my YouTube channel. Here you can see how much hours I spent each day. And yeah, uur means in Dutch hour, so it's the same. Hey, I taught my viewers finally a Dutch word, nice. But as you can see, I spent at least 4 hours every day on YouTube. And most of these hours I don't even game, I only edit or work on my business. So yeah, keep in mind, if you want to grow fast, you have to invest time into YouTube. And the last big thing is that you want to create a community. So you have to be there for your community. As you can see, this is how many comments I placed in the last 6 months. And by doing some simple math, this means that I replied to at least 10 comments each day for the past 180 days. Okay, let's go to the second part of the video. You need to know a little bit about the algorithm. And to be honest, breaking the algorithm is very simple. Some people say you can't break it, I think easy peasy. So how do you break the algorithm? Well, it's very easy. YouTube wants people to stay on their platform as long as possible. And have a good time. That's logic, you know? So when do people stay on YouTube? Well, 2 things. 1, people need to click on videos. And 2, people need to watch those videos. Easy, right? So the only thing you need to do to make a viral video and to break the algorithm is to have a high click rate and a high retention time. I got this knowledge from Mr. Beast and it worked for my channel like it does for his channel. And I hear you saying, well, that's easier said than done, right? And I understand that. I knew this from the start. But I really had problems with getting those clicks and getting those retention time. That's one of the reasons that my first 50 videos that were not shorts did not do well at all. So how did I fix that? Well, I looked at my videos and looked what worked and what didn't work. So every video I made needs to be a better one than the one before. For example, my thumbnails. These are my first few thumbnails. They did bad. Nobody clicked on them. Then I used these thumbnails, and this was better. I got a little bit more click-through rate. And then I used these thumbnails, and these just skyrocketed me through the air. And a quick shout out to Markman for helping with these types of thumbnails. They also did very well. So in conclusion, experiment with things, with thumbnails, with things in your video, because I also, of course, did it with things in videos. And eventually you will make a formula that works. However, sadly, and some people think this is not true, I think it is true, YouTube does not push the videos of small content creators. But luckily for you, I have some tips how you can get more views as a small content creator. So this brings us to the third part of the video, how I got my first 100 subscribers. And also a quick disclaimer, this is how I got them. So maybe this does not work for you, but I think these tricks will help you. So first, what type of videos you should make? Well, you should make videos that are very specific and what people are gonna search for. So what I used were lineups for Valorant. And there were tons of videos about lineups, but in those videos they showed like 100 lineups. So what I did was making very short videos where I only showed one lineup. So when viewers searched for a specific one, my video came on top. Another thing that I think that is important is helping other content creators that are small. You both want to grow, so you both help each other. And no, never ever use sub for sub. I don't mean that. Like I earlier said, YouTube want people to stay on their platform. So when you do sub for sub and someone subs to you but doesn't want your videos, it's useless for YouTube, so it doesn't really matter if you have that one extra sub. So what you should do instead is go to other people's videos, watch their videos, and if you like them, just chat with them in the comments or maybe add them as a friend. For example, when I was very small, I made friends with Sofer, Unknown Hunter, Brian, Cloudy, McDalsey, and a lot of other small content creators. And no, we did not do sub for sub, but we'd watch each other's content, and that's very nice if you want to grow on YouTube. And the last thing I tried to grow on YouTube in the earlier stages is join a lot of Discord servers. And I do not mean join Discord and just send your link, but join a Discord server, talk to people, connect with people, and then say like, hey, I got a YouTube channel, you want to check it out, you know? Don't send links because nobody's gonna click on that. And the very last thing I want to say if you are a small content creator is the quantity. It sounds stupid, but in my opinion the quantity goes over the quality in the early stages of your YouTube channel. When people click on your channel and they only see like 2 videos or 3 videos, they're probably not gonna subscribe because they are not sure where your channel is all about. Well, if you have like 10 videos, the chance is a little bit higher that people are gonna click on that subscribe button. So how long did it take me to get 100 subscribers? It took me 1 month. But more importantly, in that month I posted 26 videos. This means that I posted almost daily. And by posting so many videos in that 1 month, I had way more chance that one of those videos was gonna appear in the search bar. So yeah, that's how I got my first 100 subscribers and how you might also get it. Well, congratulations, you managed to get 100 subscribers. Now, 1000. What should I do? What other steps should I take? Well, to be honest, 100 subscribers is still not that many. And it's a good start to build a little bit momentum. Don't change your strategy, keep doing what you're doing till you hit 1000 subscribers. When you hit 1000 subscribers, you can maybe make videos that are less specific. For example, what I did, instead of making videos with only 1 lineup, I made videos that shows like 8 lineups. I also started to experiment with the series, the Road to Diamond series. And those videos did very bad, very bad. But slowly I try to improve every video to get the retention time higher and the click-through rate higher. And now, after 20 videos, more than 20,000 people are watching each episode as soon as they come out. And that got me to 10,000 subscribers. Also, shorts helped me a little bit, but more about that later in this video. So yeah, congratulations, you hit 10k. What should you do now? Well, you can just keep doing what you're doing. I mean, you managed to get 10k, right? That's exactly what I did. I just kept doing what I'm doing. However, I made one big change. You can call it luck, but one of my videos blew up, like immensely blew up. It got like 300,000 views in only a few days. So I thought, people like this type of video, I make another one. And that video also blew up. So when those videos blew up, I went to the analytics and looked why did they blow up. And I want to show you 2 graphs. The first one is from a video that I usually make. And the second graph is from the video that blew up. And this is when I realized what Mr. B said. Retention time is very, very important. So it was at this moment I tried everything to get as many retention time as possible. So I tried making those type of videos, and after a few more viral hits, it got me to 100,000 subscribers. So yeah, that's how I got it, and hopefully you can get it too in a similar way. But hey, we're not done yet. I'm gonna give you now a lot of tips and tricks that I wish I knew before I started YouTube. With these tips and tricks you can grow way easier. And I don't want to ramble for too long, so I'm gonna give those very fast. When you upload a video, always add 500 characters of tags. This is the maximum, and with those tags people can find your video a little bit easier. Don't make your videos longer than they have to be. For example, if you make a video for 7 minutes and you think, okay, if I make this video 10 minutes then people are gonna watch longer because the video is longer, don't do that, because the average retention time will go down. I did it in one of my race videos, but as you can see, a lot of people clicked away near the end. Also, if you want to get a higher retention time, keep your intro and outro as short as possible. Always make more than 1 thumbnail design. This way you can choose which one you think is the best. Here's an example for 3 thumbnails I made for the Rush video. Play with colors, text size, etc. Always read your comments because they might give feedback on your videos. Also, when you are a small content creator, ask for your viewers what type of video they want next, and do that. Focus on one platform only. Don't go on Twitter and try to get followers for your YouTube over there. It's way better to focus on YouTube and spend all your time over there. Try to be unique, but also look at other content creators. Don't copy them, but give them your own vibe, you know? For example, I got a lot of inspiration from Nate King, but I didn't try to copy his videos for Valorant. I gave the videos my own touch. When you made a video that works, try to make a part 2, because apparently the people like it. Try to focus on only one topic. For example, if you make Minecraft videos, don't also make CSGO videos, that's strange. Don't forget to put timestamps in your descriptions, so the viewers will know which part of the video they want to see. Also, add something into the description. This way your video have a little bit more keywords, so your video can be found easily. And the last tip, and this is the biggest tip, work harder and do more. I got this knowledge from Casey Neistat, and it's so true. If you work harder, if you do more, you will grow faster. That sounds logic, but it is true. So stop with scrolling on Instagram, stop watching Netflix and start creating. If you do that, you will grow way faster. Okay, now, the video is not done yet. I want to address one more topic, and that is YouTube Shorts. YouTube Shorts are those vertical videos that you will see if you are on mobile. Those videos helped my channel grow insanely fast. But I see a lot of people that make shorts but don't really grow. Well, almost all of my shorts have more than 500,000 views. And why is that? Well, I'm gonna explain to you how to get more views and subscribers through shorts. So the first thing you need to understand about shorts is that YouTube doesn't really care about click-through rate, because you scroll through the shorts, so click-through rate is not an issue. So yeah, where does the YouTube algorithm looks to? And that is retention time, again, likes, and how many people subscribed through that short. How do I know that? Well, actually, I don't know it for sure. But I've been making shorts for like 5 months. And by looking at the analytics, I think this is true. So yeah, I have 2 major tips so your short can blow up on YouTube. The first step is that you have to grab the attention of the viewers in the first 3 seconds. I do that by showing what the video is all about in the first 3 seconds. How to retake B on Bind with Phoenix. In the first 3 seconds, people know where the video is all about, and if they want to watch, they will watch. If they don't, they scroll through. And the second thing is, ask for your viewers to subscribe or like the video. I know this sounds very bad and stupid, but it really works. I want to explain this by showing you some data. This short got 800,000 views, but I only got 500 subscribers, what is nothing compared to how many views it got. I didn't ask people to subscribe at the end of this video. Well, this video got a little bit less than 500,000 views, but it got me 3,000 subscribers, and that's only because I asked people to subscribe. So yeah, subscribe for more horizontal and vertical content. That's my outro, and this makes people subscribe. And also, yes, you saw it right, 800,000 views and I only got 5 cents. You don't get any money for YouTube Shorts, sadly. And yeah, this is all I have to say, I think. If you have any more questions for me, let me know down in the comments below and I try to answer them, maybe in a different video, maybe just in the comments. Good luck with growing your YouTube channel, I believe you can do it. And I see you in the next one, peace.